students of class 7. So I'll be taking your maths class today. So till now we conducted 2 maths classes. In the last class we have studied about the closure property, the commutative property, the associative property, identity property, zero property, multiplication by -1 and distributive property of addition and subtraction. Students, today by using these very properties we will try to solve the questions that are given in the exercise. So let's move to exercise number 1. So students, let's start with question number 1 of 1.1. What is given there? 16 into -4. What is 16 into -4? The answer would be 64. And students, what do you think? What will be the sign? What will be the sign of 64? As we have already taught in the class that minus into plus, positive into negative, the sign is always negative. So the answer is -64. So here the multiplication I have done in my mind. What you can do is, while solving the maths, in the right hand side of your copy you can draw a line here, and the rough whatever you have to do you can do in the right hand side. For example, here I do 16 into -4. So I can do it here. 6 4 the 24, carry 2, 4 1 the 4, 5 6, and negative into positive is negative. So like this you should solve the problems. Now we will do one more problem, which is let me take a different problem. So all the problems which have 2 numbers you can solve it by yourself. I will take another problem that is question number 3, which have 1 2 3 4 numbers. -1 into -2 into -1 into 9. Now students, how we will solve this problem? Let's solve it. First of all, what is 1 into 2? 1 into 2 would be what? 1 into 2 would be 2. Now here what is there? Negative. First we will multiply these two. Okay. What is 1 into -2? It is 2. Will it be positive or negative? It will be positive, because negative into negative is a positive. Into what here? 1 into -9. So 1 into -9, here one negative is there, here one positive is there. So 9 ones are 9 and the answer will be negative -9. Okay, and the answer would be 9 to the 18, positive into negative -18. So students, here is one trick I will tell you, that whenever you have to solve any problem, students, see, count the number of negatives there. If the number of negatives is odd, the multiplication will always be negative, and if the number of minus negative signs are even, then the answer will always be even. It hoda monot rakhiba. Dighol multiplication di ase tumalok, multiplication di ase tumalok koa hoise, tumalok sign to bisari oloa. Sign to ki hobo? Negative hobo ne positive hobo? Only in case of multiplication de minus plus thakile no hobo etu. Jodi gotei khini multiplication hoy ase, what you can do is you can count the number of negatives. If the number of negative is odd, odd mane ki 1 3 5 ebilak odd, right? If the number of negative sign is odd, the answer is negative, and if the number of negative sign is even, then the answer is positive. In this case the answer is -18. Now students, we will solve question number 8 of sub number 1. Okay, so in the last problem what we had there were 3 negative signs. 3 is a odd number, so the answer was also a negative number. But in this case what do we see? We see that there are 2 negative numbers. That means the number of negative numbers is even, so the answer should be positive. Let's check it out. So while doing it, what we will do? 1 into -2, what will be the answer? The answer will be positive into negative, the answer will be negative. That means 1 into -2 is equal to -2. And by the property of multiplication by -1, what do we know? That whenever we multiply any number, any integer with 1, what is the answer? The answer is always the same integer. So -2 into 1, what will be the answer? The answer will be -2 into what? 3 into 4. 3 4 the how much? 12. Now 12. Would it be positive or negative? The answer would be negative, because positive into negative is always negative. So the answer is what? Minus 12. So now we have 2 into 12. So 2 into 12 is 2 into 12 is 2 12s are 24. And what would be the sign? The sign would be positive, because negative into negative is always positive. So students, you can see the number of negative sign here were how much? Were even. That means 2. That is why the answer is positive. Always remember this. Students, now let's move to question number 2. Now see, question number 1 and question number 2 is almost similar. They are all same, but still I am solving a couple of questions for you, and you have to solve all the other questions that I have not solved in the class. Every student should solve the question and send it to me as homeworks. Now let's see question number 3. Here what is given? Minus 1 into 30 into 6. So minus 1 into 30. What would be the answer? 30 into 1 is equal to 30. Then minus into minus, negative into negative, what will be? Positive. That means what? 30. Negative, negative, positive. 30 into 1 is 30. Into 6. What would be the answer? 6 3 is 18, 180. Here you can see number of negative were 2. That means odd. That is why the answer is also positive. The answer is when the number of negative is even, the answer is positive. The students, now coming to that is question number 3. Now students, see, this question is a little critical. बहुत critical নহয়, but all of critical হয়. যদি তোমালোকে law to বুজি পাইছা, if you have understood the law, then it is a very easy question. The question number 3 is use distributive law to solve the following problems. আমি এই problem বিলাক solve কৰিব কাৰণে আমি কি law use কৰিব লাগিব? We have to use the distributive law. Now students, what was distributive law? Distributive law কি আছিল? Distributive law of multiplication, of addition and subtraction. তার মানে কি, যদি a into b plus c থাকে, আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো? a into b plus a into c. তার মানে কি, যদি a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c হয়, উল্টাটোও হ'ব, a into b plus a into c is equal to a into b plus c. মানে আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো, যদি দুটা বস্তু সেম বস্তু থাকে, দুটা মাজত প্লাস থাকে, তাৰ পৰা আমি এটা বস্তু কি ল'ব পাৰো, আমি কমন ল'ব পাৰো। ধৰা a into b plus a into c আছে, মাজত আছে প্লাস সাইন, আৰু দুটা বস্তুটা কমন কি আছে, এই a টো কমন আছে, a টো কমন আছে। তো আমি এই a টোক বাহিৰত ওলাই লৈ আহিব পাৰো, বাহিৰত ওলাই লৈ আহি আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো, b plus c লিখিব পাৰো। এইটো কি মিন কৰে যে a b লগতো ইনটু হৈ আছে আৰু a c লগতো ইনটু হৈ আছে, আৰু কোনটো বস্তু হেতক কানেক্ট কৰিছে, দ্যাট ইজ দা প্লাস। এইটো ভঙা দিলে কি হ'ব, এইটো ভঙা দিলে এইটো আহি যাব a into b plus a into c, হয় না নাই? এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি a into b ও যদি কৰো প্লাস a into c ও যদি কৰো, যোনটো এনসার আহিব সেই এনসারটো আমি a যদি কমন লৈ b plus c আগত প্লাস কৰি তাৰ লগত a into কৰো, সেম আহিব। আৰু সেম ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি যদি এইটো মাইনাস কৰিলো, এইটো মাইনাস কৰিলো, আমাৰ এনসারটো সেই সেমে আহিব। Now তোমালোকে চোৱা, in this question can you see that this question is in the format a to a into a to b, আৰু সেম 673 এইটো a into কি, এইটো হল তোমাৰ c, a into b into a into c formatত এইটো question আছে। So what can we take common here in this question? We can take common 673। तो बच्चा बटिया बोलो, अगर हम इन दोनों से 673 कॉमन लेते हैं, what do we have in the remaining? We have 272 from the first part, that is b. মাজত সাইন কোনটো আছে, we have negative sign, মাজত negative sign, আৰু ইফালে 673 আমি কমন লৈছো আগতে, what is the remainder? কি থাকি গল? The remaining part is 72, which is c. তো ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিম, 673 into 272 minus 72, how much? 200. Now if we multiply 200 by 673, what is the answer? The answer would be 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14, 14 to 4, carry 1, 6 to the 12, 1, 13, and root of 0. This is the answer that we get. Student, I think you have understood this problem. Now let's move to one more question. I will solve one more question for you from this distributive law, and the rest you have to do as homework. Now students, see, we are solving question number 3. Now see, this is also in the format of A into B in plus A into C. Hey, same format to take question 2, 7250, 7250. Okay, now which is the first step? We have to take A as common. What is A here? 7250. When we take the A common, what is inside? Inside is minus 31. Amar ki thakil bhitorot minus 31 thakil. Tar A sign to ki ase positive, but yate eta catch ase. Ki ase catch to? Yate soa ami common ki lesu 7250. But ইয়াতে সাইন টু 7250 লগত কি আছে নেগেটিভ আছে কিন্তু আমি লৈছো কি পজিটিভ তে আমি যদি এইটো পজিটিভ লৈছো তেনে হলে এইটো ইনটু এইটো যদি আমি মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন কৰিলো হয় आंसरটো কি হইল হয় নেগেটিভ আহিল হয় কিয় নেগেটিভ আহিল হয় কাৰণ এটা নেগেটিভ সাইন আছে ইয়াতে when we take 7250 common instead of taking 69 we have to take minus 69 কাৰণ এই 7250 যদি ইয়াত কমন ললো আমার minus 2 কিন্তু ইয়াত থাকি গল ইয়াত minus 2 থাকি গল সেই কাৰণে we have to take minus 69 as common. What common we have taken? We have taken minus 69. Now see 7250 এইফালে কি হল ইয়াতে minus 31 আৰু এইফালে প্লাস মাইনাস minus 69. Okay, what is the answer here? Is equal to 7250 into কি হব এটো into minus 69 into minus 31. What is the answer? Minus 100. So what will be the answer? The answer, sorry students, I have to rub this. Okay, I will write the answer here in this part. Okay, 7250 into minus 100. What is the answer? Minus 7 minus positive into negative is negative 7250 and add 2 more 0. This is the answer. So students, I have solved question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 for you. Try solving all the other questions and always remember in this catch you remember, okay, because I have taken 7250 common, that is why this minus I have not taken common. That is why this minus will go in the minus 69. Remember this and solve all the other questions and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you students.